Good morning, everyone. This is Kathleen and Be Again Books. And I wanted to stop what I was doing because I'm going to put a little scrunched up Sari silk ruffle right at the top of this tag. And I remembered that someone had wanted to see me do that. And so I'm just here with my desk that's really a mess, but I'm making a tag to go inside this pocket that we collaged before. And so I'm just making a simple tag with this piece of designer paper, and it's going to go in there, but I wanted to put a little more decoration on the top. So I've got this really beautiful piece of raggedy sari silk. So I've just cut a piece, and now I'm gonna scrunch it, and then we'll put a little bling on it. So the way you do that, it's just really simple, but it's kind of random, and you really don't know how it's going to turn out. I think because this glass is dark, I'm going to put this on something that's a little lighter so you can see. Sorry for the mess. So I also want to cover up this red. I mean, I don't mind it there, and it kind of matches the little flower on the sticker, but I'm going to put the ruffle on this side, and it'll kind of overlap that red. So how you do it is you kind of spread it out, and sari silk is naturally very wrinkled, but you can see that this is the piece. It's about an inch and a half, inch and 3/4 long, and all I'm going to do is put some glue down. I'm going to smear it. There needs to be plenty of glue to catch it, and then I'll put the sari silk one edge down first and kind of smash it, and then you just smash and push up, and that's all you do. As I say, it's pretty random. And then you just kind of hold it, and of course you get glue on your fingers, and you can use something else like your scissors to kind of pick your fingers up, but there's a bunch of glue involved, and you just have to do the best you can. And then if you use a quick drying glue like Fabri-Tac, then it'll catch and glue pretty well. So you can see that I got some ruffles going there, and you just kind of want to smash it and hold it. And I am going to want kind of a flat spot to put my bling down. When the glue begins to dry, then if you can get it off your fingers so that it doesn't continue to grab, then you can kind of start smushing it and making the folds and wrinkles. That's just kind of the way it looks, and I want to leave just a little flat spot because then we're going to put in some bling. But there you can see there's a nice ruffle. And of course, in my Victorian floral journal ages ago, I put it on the edge, and you can make it on the edge so that it kind of comes over and creates a little tab. But all right, so that's, see what I mean? Now that the glue is drying, I can kind of push it down more. All right, now get my tweezers, and let's see, where shall I put? I don't want one that's too big. put it there, or I can, yeah, I'm gonna put it there. Okay, so while there's still some glue, I'm just gonna push that down and hold till it takes. Now you can see that I have moved this up from the center. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I just kind of like things a little bit wonky, a little asymmetrical or off center. It's just the way I like it. You may like it centered, so feel free to do that. But I need just a little bit of glue under this edge. All right, so that is pretty much, that's how I do it. Just a little bit of decoration there. Further decoration on that tag. Let's see how it looks. Yep, I like that. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.